Youth Grow is a program of growing gardens, a Portland-based nonprofit that uses the experience of growing food in schools, backyards, and correctional facilities to cultivate healthy and equitable communities. For over a decade, Youth Grow has used the garden as a classroom where diverse, low-income students can learn to grow their own food, giving them new perspectives on food, health, and the world around them. Each year, we teach gardening to an estimated 3,000 students at 9 Title I schools in the Portland metro area, where 90% of our students are eligible for free and reduced lunch, and an average of 54% of students are experiencing poverty at home. Our educators teach lessons during the school day, after school, and in the summer, working with classroom teachers and after-school programs to give kids the opportunity to grow food, care for the garden, and of course, just have fun. Lessons are aligned with grade-level standards and integrate environmental science, tasting vegetables, and food traditions that reflect student cultures. To encourage students to try new foods, we offer cafeteria tastings, cooking demonstrations, and take-home recipe kits, so kids can use school-grown vegetables to cook new recipes with their families at home. We grow organic fruits and vegetables at the school gardens, donating all the produce to school cafeterias, food pantries, and directly to our families. We engage families in school garden activities, sending home extra produce and helping them access food resources in town. And we invite them to participate in Growing Gardens' Home Gardens program, which helps families start their own gardens with free seeds, tools, garden beds, and gardening workshops. Scientific studies repeatedly show that students have better academic and health outcomes when they have access to healthy food and outdoor project-based learning. Multisensorial and multimodal spaces in the garden support the success of each student's unique learning style, cultural traditions, home languages, and differing physical abilities. At Growing Gardens, we believe that nourishing culturally appropriate food is a basic human right, and that those most affected by climate change, food insecurity, and other issues and results of oppression and inequality should have access to the skills and knowledge to build healthy communities from within. The Youth Grow program supports this goal by fostering an ethic of stewardship and connection to nature, while supplementing fresh food access and building healthy food habits among K-5 students in school gardens.